Iaô, Kadochikok, com deporte.
El último equipo para clasificar para cuarto de final del Mundial Damas está campeona, Japón. Japonesa no derrotó a Holanda 2-1. Holanda, por mira atrás, un buen mundial, camina damas holandesa gana más experiencia. Y hay que eliminar para nada menos que campeona contra Japón. Y selección de bowling, tanto adulto como juvenil, está clapa torneo internacional.
Tanto a selección de adultos que juegan en Panamericano en Canadá, comenzó en juvenil, que Youth Championship, así en treino de manera estaba programada.
The 4 adults going to the Toronto 2015 have been training real hard for several years. The selection is Jason Odor, Brian Elmeyer, Camila Dammers, and Tashina Seraus. The girls were both in the top of the U.S. University Bowling this year. And the boys have competed well and trained real hard for this event. It's our biggest event in the Olympic cycle. The Pan American Youth Championship, we will have 8 athletes representing Aruba starting this coming Saturday. And all 8 of them have been very dedicated, doing all that they can to bring honor and glory for Aruba.
So you're happy till now how the performance, the training, everything is going?
We've been basically training 6 days a week for several months. And they're going to the gym, they're working with nutrition, working with Semadar in physical fitness and preparation with the doctors from the Olympic Committee, sports psychologists. They've been given the whole package of things to work on, and hopefully it will show up on the lanes.
On the lane itself, you're controlling everything, it's going at your satisfaction?
It is. You know, we're in an environment where many people still think of bowling as entertainment, and the atmosphere is happy, but our bowlers are very dedicated and they've been training extra hard preparing for these 2 major competitions.
So we could see we're going to have the good results in the Pan American Games and the youth also.
I believe so. The Pan American Games, I know we will get a good representation. The youth, it's actually more people than the Pan American Games. Pan American Games have 28 men, 28 women. The youth are going to have probably 120 to 140 youth bowlers bowling. It's very difficult. In the Pan American Games, our girls and boys go against 2 American male, 2 American female competitors. In the youth, it's 4. So, you know, the strong countries are a lot stronger in the 4-man team, 6-man team competitions. But I know we will represent the country well, and the kids will put everything on the lanes.
You have the confidence?
I have the confidence in my team.
Ahorita no saben algo, está preparando para el torneo internacional de bowling. RCA y Estrella, de 2 están en la final división de honor. Después espera lunes, Ronnie. ¿Cuánto va a hype up aqui? Nós temos que ver hype up aqui, Ronnie.
Sim, seguro. Eu espero que cada ano ferviente está aí de mês, mas também, para o mês como clube, como atleta, queda concentrado, você ainda acaba. Então, espero que quando aqui está para passado, se você está perjudicar o campeonato.
Well,
pero no sé. Anyway, RCA para vida, vai para França.
Yes, sir.